Alright, Happy New Year, everybody. This is the third time I've tried this video. I've got a new gimbal, DJI Osmo Mobile gimbal, trying to eliminate some of the bumpiness I always have in my videos from my hands shaking. The first two I tried using their software and I didn't like the result. So we're going without. The gimbal works just fine without keeping things smooth. We have on here an Athearn Genesis SD70. Alaska Railroad, obviously, 4002. DCC, no sound. Runner in analog, real quick here. I don't believe I have the headlight turned on. I think I turned it off in DCC. Oh, nope, I left it on. One of the benefits of using their software, though, is I can zoom in using the gimbal itself, or I can control the direction with the gimbal itself. Right now I have a little bit of control, but I don't have any zoom, because that actually controls the camera through Bluetooth. We're going to flip this over to DCC. Oh, we got to look and see what direction we're going. There we are, running forward. Turn the speed up a little bit to get it to move on in DCC. I might have the steps set slow. I'll run it all the way around here. I zoomed out with my fingertip, so everything about this gimbal is I could actually lock onto that locomotive when I'm using their software, and I wouldn't have to move. The camera would move itself following it around, which is a cool feature. I just was not impressed by my video when I used it. A quick direction change here. Light works in reverse. The little joystick on this thing is pretty smooth if you're very careful with your thumb. My Digitrax emergency stop doesn't stop that. The light works on off. Come in for our close-up here. Thing has really good slow speed, obviously. These are really nice looking locomotives too. And that'll be the tail end of that. Alright everybody, thanks for watching. Let's see. I'll watch this video and see how it turned out.